Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a TP-Link router and you're getting no internet access, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix that problem. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight in. So the first thing is to actually check your physical connections. So ensure that your modem is properly connected to the TP-Link's router WAN, or the internet port that is using an Ethernet cable. You can verify that all cables are securely plugged in and that they are undamaged. If anything looks a bit weird there, if there are any burn marks or anything that looks a little bit loose, you can replace this cable. Then power off both the modem and the router for at least 1 minute, and then power the router first. Wait for about 2 minutes and then power on the modem and wait until all status lights are stable. Then you need to log into your router's web interface, go to advanced status, and if your IP shows 0000, try cloning your computer's MAC address or change the router LAN IP to avoid any conflicts. The next thing to do is to configure your DNS manually. So if the IP is valid, but there's still no internet access, you can set your primary DNS to 8888. This is the Google DNS, and you will do this in advanced. You go to network, DHCP server settings, and you can then resolve this connectivity issue. If the issue persists after trying all of these steps, you can do a factory reset on your router and then reconfigure your network settings from scratch. You might need some additional technical assistance here, so maybe make contact with your service provider. One pro tip: if all else fails, disable access control settings that might block any internet access. And also, always verify that you're using the correct port. Now, this may seem like a simple thing, but it's often overlooked. And this can happen especially when operating in access point mode. So go ahead and check that it's plugged into the WAN or the LAN. Check which one it's in, and then see if you have your internet access. I hope this was helpful.